with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a technical overview for you guys on the Rizzoli ML80. That's this beauty right here. It is featured in all black, black side panels, black door. It is available in a wide variety of finishes as well. This model is ULC listed for homeowners insurance purposes for the United States and Canada. This includes homeowners insurance, building inspections, or wet inspections. This model is unique. It can be a left or a right hand vent and a top or a rear vent, all of which is interchangeable on site simply by switching this top damper control located right here. This makes this a very versatile unit. Now what's unique about it is it's got some of the lowest clearances for a stacked model cook stove. It's a 2-inch clearance off the side of the stove and 8 inches off the rear of the stove and 6 inches from the corner of the stove to the wall if you were placing it in a corner application. Inside the firebox, it is fully gasketed. You do have refractory lining inside the firebox and a cast iron grate. So this is going to be custom brick. It's not standard fire brick. Keep that in mind. You do have a log stopper to keep anything from rolling forward. Located inside the firebox is going to be your ash pan removal. Directly below the unit is going to be your baking oven. It's a stainless steel lined baking oven with an enamel pan as well as an oven rack. Your gasketing on your oven is actually going to be up close here, not on the door itself. Inside of the door is going to be stainless steel. You have your 3 damper controls. Your oven control is going to be located here at the top, your primary, and then also your secondary located down here. There is no oven light on this model. I want to talk about that because there's a place for it and there's a little thing down here that shows a light. The models in North America do not have any oven light because they could not pass the UL testing like that. This model does have removable lids located at the top of the stove, which is a super nice feature if you want to do wok style cooking with various size pans. It's shown with the 3-piece railing here. You can also order just a front railing, front and side, or absolutely no railings at all if you prefer. I'm going to take the cooktop off and show you guys up close and inside the stove here. So this shows the location of how the heat's going to be transferred when both flue holes are plugged so that the gases are not escaping. That's going to push all the heat into this area where it's going to flow down and around the oven. Essentially, this is your damper control located at the top that controls the oven. When it is pushed in like this, it's going to be closed so that the heat is going to stay inside the firebox. It'll then flow down and circulate around the oven. When you have it pulled out, this is going to allow the heat to escape and exit your flue stack. If you guys enjoy these videos, I really try and do my best to show you guys all of the technical kind of features and technical questions that I get asked. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. That helps me out. Click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click the bell for notifications, you will get updated on all of my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.